Welcome back to Listen to Leo. In today's video, I wanted to share with you the 5 ways that you can use AI to enhance your programmatic SEO process. Now, you might be asking yourself, what's programmatic SEO? And this is actually use case 1. So programmatic SEO is something that is up and coming, and it's a great thing that you can use the GPT playground for. Just a quick course on what is programmatic SEO. But basically, it's a way that you can easily use code to generate a large number of landing pages and everything to attract traffic to your site from a bunch of different angles. And so this is something that a lot of the big players use in order to generate a ton of content. For example, you can look at what Zapier does. If you search for automation or integration and any number of tools, there's almost a guarantee that they're going to be ranked first for it because they have all of these integrations in place. And so they have these really small landing pages that explain briefly how to integrate them. And all of a sudden you're on their website and then you're hopefully using their tool. And so that's what programmatic SEO is in a nutshell. If you need more information, go ask GPT. Second use case for AI in programmatic SEO. Let's develop a strategy. So in this case, I'll show you again using the playground. Super easy. You tell it that it's a consultant with an expertise in programmatic SEO. Give it a basic rundown of what you're looking to do with it, and then ask it to devise a strategy for you. And it will outline a number of different things that you can do in order to accomplish your goals. Super helpful, especially if you don't have a lot of experience in this area. I personally don't. I've been learning it, and this has been a super handy way for me to get up to speed on all that I need to know. All right, let's get into it with number 3. Here's where the cool stuff really comes into play. So here I'm using Copy AI's new chat to workflow builder. It's still early access, but as an employee, I get to use it. And let me tell you, it is awesome. But what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to generate the blog posts that I need. And I'm going to build out this workflow that can generate the blog post and, pull in the right information. So I want to create all of these landing pages for first-time home buyers in different states. And so I can actually have it map out all these steps based on a given state, and it'll go through here, pull out the pieces that it needs, and then write a blog post for me. Wow, that is pretty cool. Number 4, again, using chat to workflows. Super cool. Now, I could manually type out all 50 states, or I could type a line into chat to workflows and get a CSV file with all 50 states. When I do that, I can then actually just import it into the workflow runner. So I've got the workflow all set up to generate the blog posts. Now I can generate the CSV file to do that, copy it and paste it into an actual CSV file, and then upload that into the workflow table. And then all of a sudden I can run them all. And finally, number 5, ways that you can use AI for your programmatic SEO. You can quite easily extract and transform data to fill in the additional fields that you'll need, such as the excerpt for the blog. You can do things like keyword extraction. So all sorts of small manipulations that you might have to do normally quite manually, you could just add those into the workflow that you're building and have it do all of that as part of the process. And suddenly what you're doing is you're taking a whole thing that used to take weeks and weeks and weeks of effort, and you're doing it in the matter of minutes. You're able to get things published in hours instead of weeks or months, and it is absolutely incredible. And this is how I'm using programmatic SEO to really build out a presence for my new side hustle. to really see what percentage of traffic I'm able to capture with this approach. And then building on that by adding in a lead magnet, which also generated a lot of the text with AI. And so I can take what I'm learning, bundle it into this email course, package it up, put it online, draw traffic, and use that as the basis for a new side hustle. So there you have it. 5 ways that you can use AI in your programmatic SEO journey. Learn what it is, build a strategy, generate blog posts, generate variations, and extract and transform information. And there you have it. Boom, you're now using AI and automating things way better than you ever thought you could before. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.